Iran's Supreme Leader's representative in India, Abdul Majid Hakim Ilahi, has expressed gratitude to the government and people of India for their support and solidarity amid the ongoing West Asia conflict. His remarks came during a commemorative event or Chehlum, marking 40 days since the death of Ayatollah Ali Khamenei. The Chehlum ceremony, held at the Iranian Cultural Center in New Delhi, observed the 40th day since Khamenei's death, who was killed in joint US-Israeli strikes in February 2026. Addressing the gathering, Ilahi thanked Indian officials and political leaders for their participation and support during the period of mourning. In a statement to ANI, Ilahi acknowledged the presence of representatives from various political parties and government bodies, noting that their attendance reflected solidarity and sympathy with Iran. He described the occasion as a moment not only to honor the late leader's memory, but also to appreciate India's gesture of support. Speaking at the event, Ilahi said the gathering marked 40 days since the loss of a leader who had dedicated his life to humanity and justice. He emphasized that the response from India demonstrated shared values and a collective commitment to justice. Reflecting on the past weeks, Ilahi highlighted what he called a remarkable display of loyalty and compassion by the Indian public. He said the strong turnout at memorial events and the heartfelt messages conveyed during this period showed that support for truth and justice transcends borders. The remembrance comes in the aftermath of the killing of the 86-year-old leader on February 28, an incident that significantly escalated tensions in West Asia. Following his death, Mujtaba Khamenei was appointed as the new Supreme Leader of Iran.